In this video lecture, we will talk about the machining along the straight line. In a previous video lecture, lecture 5 or 6, we talk about the machining in a point to point. Okay guys, now let's move to the machining along a straight line. In a along straight line means in a point to point connect, what we have done, we have to drill, we have to machine the some parts at certain point, so that we have to, what we had done, we had just drill it and just give command to the machine that okay, then you have to above the surface, go above to the surface and go to that point. But in this, in a line to line manner, in a line to machining along line, what we have to do, we don't need to just give one command, that is up and then go this point. Okay, this is the one difference. The machining along line is done by using linear interpolation. The line may be straight, inclined, or at any angle, in any position. Position also be there. Position means horizontal, vertical position. Okay guys, machining in a linear interpolation is done by using G01, that is linear interpolation code in the program. The general format of writing command is, its command is like here, number, sequence number G01, XY coordinate and feed rate and end of block. Okay, now we have to do this the linear straight line machining along this straight line. Our the original workpiece is like that. Now we have to remove this section. Okay, this section we have to remove. Okay, how we will address this problem? What, first of all, my program is here G00 and I will command go to y direction. This is y direction, this is x direction, go y 50 comma, and do we move in x direction or not? We do not move, so 50 comma 10, go to 50 comma 10. Okay, it will go there. And now we will give to the next point, that is next point is, this is the height of this is 50. Okay, this 10, 60. Okay, no, this is 0. I always forgot to. Okay guys, sorry guys, this is x, this is x, this is y. Okay, we are moving, we are not moving in x direction, so 0. We are moving to the y direction, go to rapid transfers to 50. Okay, 50, 0 comma 50, and then we will go where, we will start cutting G01 in a, if we are without moving, without cutting, without machining, if we are moving without machining any workpiece and we have to move from one place to another place, then we will use what command, G00, that is rapid traverse. And then now we have to machine this surface. What we will do, what we will give the command, go to what it is, let us assume this is 10 from the x-axis. Okay, 10 comma, now how much, 50 plus 10, 60. Okay, y coordinate x 10, y 60, go to 60 and it will start cutting by using linear interpolation, that is G01, and then it will come. Then I will just tell the command that then come to the position G00 and at go to the height of from this surface 20, 30, whatever I required. Okay, now the code is written here. Okay, and 10, this is the sequence number, G71 metric unit, G90 absolute coordinate system, G94 mm per minute end of block, and 20 feed rate spindle speed 1000 rpm, M03 spindle start clockwise, M08 coolant on end of block, G0 rapid transfer to Z2, go to the from the surface that 2 mm above end of block, x0 y50. Okay, now G002 and I have to give one more I have to add one more. Okay, spindle start G00 Z2 and I have to go x0 y0 at z, how much we want to, let us assume that we want to remove 2 mm. Okay, now 2 end of block. Now it goes that point and started to remove machining and goes to the minus 10 minus 2 mm depth. And then go to G01 linear interpolation x10 G01 x10 y10 y60 end of block and go this position. Okay guys, here G01 go from the here go to here by using linear interpolation. And then what will happen? Now come to the jet at 10 height of the x0 y0 end of block, and then M05 program stop, and M30 is I added this one. M30 is program end or end of program. Okay, thank you guys.